glass elevator. Some old apartment complex. Oh, whoa. IECO.
All the way down here.
White Oak Tower Apartments. Please tell me you work.
We're on one.
Are we? Duh. Wow, look at how rusted that is. Look at that, an independent elevator in Encino, California. This thing's really cool. Nope.
Have the whole count to yourself.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi. Come on in.
Oh, okay.
It's a very small elevator. Very low ceiling too.
No, I'm not gonna adjust that. I don't want it to fall.
Cool elevator.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Excuse me?